Question 47. A variety of summary statistics were collected for a small sample of bivariate data. The dependent variable was y and the independent variable was x. Okay, so you have this information given right here. Find the correlation coefficient. Okay, so here is the correlation coefficient right here. So that's the formula I need to use to find our first answer. Okay, so I need to find the summation of x minus x bar times y minus y bar, and that is equal to 466. Okay, divided by, space out a little bit more, the square root of the summation of x minus x bar squared, that is 234, times the summation of x minus x bar squared, that is 1434. Okay, so when I plug this into my calculator, I should get 0.8045 for my value of r, and that's it.